Click on the link below to get price. Welcome back. I'm thrilled you're here with us today because we're diving into something that's truly a game changer in the world of portable power, the DABBSSON 2000L solar generator. If you're a fan of camping, embarking on RV adventures, or if you're someone who simply wants a reliable backup power source at home, you'll definitely want to stick around for this episode. Let's kick things off by discussing the specifications of this powerhouse. The DABBSSON 2000L is equipped with a massive 2048 WH semi-solid lithium iron phosphate, or LiFePO4 battery. Now, for those of you who may not be familiar with lithium batteries, let me break it down for you. This type of battery is known for being incredibly safe and stable, which is a huge plus when it comes to portable power. And the best part? It's designed for longevity, so you won't have to stress about battery degradation over time. What's not to love about that? Now let's talk power. One of the standout features of the DABBSSON 2000L is its impressive output capabilities. It can deliver an astonishing 2200 W of AC power with a peak of 3300 W. This means you can easily run a small fridge, charge your laptop, or even power tools without breaking a sweat. Just imagine the convenience, whether you're out in the wild or need to keep your devices running during a power outage at home. Speaking of convenience, let's look at the design. The DABBSSON 2000L is lightweight and easy to transport, making it a perfect companion for camping trips, tailgating, or even just a day at the beach. You can roam free without worrying about running out of power. How great is that? I remember a camping trip I took last summer. We brought along a generator, but it was bulky and a hassle to move around. With the DABBSSON 2000L, I can only imagine how much easier and more enjoyable that trip would have been. Now let's get into the performance. The DABBSSON 2000L boasts a runtime that beats many of its competitors by 1.3 times. Can you picture this? You're enjoying your favorite outdoor activities, whether it's hiking, fishing, or just soaking up the sun, without the constant worry of having to recharge your power source. You can fully immerse yourself in the experience around you. But wait, there's more. One of the most impressive features is the multiple output options. The DABBSSON 2000L comes with 6 AC ports, which means you can power several devices at once. Imagine this scenario. You're camping with friends, and you have your fridge, lights, and phone all powered at the same time without sacrificing any of them. It's like having your home comforts right there in the great outdoors. Charging the DABBSSON 2000L is a breeze too. You have the flexibility to recharge it via solar power, a wall outlet, or even from your car. So no matter where you find yourself, you can keep that power flowing. It's like having a safety net that allows you to focus on the adventure without any interruptions. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on who this solar generator is really for. Whether you're planning some epic camping trips, looking to fulfill your RV power needs, or just want a dependable backup for those unexpected home outages, the DABBSSON 2000L is incredibly versatile. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about its reliability and efficiency. Many have shared their experiences of staying powered up, whether they were out enjoying the wild or during those frustrating home outages. It's inspiring to see how this generator can change the game for so many people. When we compare the DABBSSON 2000L to similar products on the market, it really does stand out for its features, performance, and practicality. It's not just portable, it's smart. It incorporates the latest technology to provide you with peace of mind. So if you're contemplating a purchase, I urge you to do a bit of research, but I have a strong feeling you'll find the DABBSSON 2000L checks all the boxes. As we wrap up today's episode, let's summarize what we've uncovered. If you're on the lookout for a reliable, portable power solution, the DABBSSON 2000L solar generator is a fantastic choice. With its robust specifications, impressive output, and multiple charging options, it's ready to elevate your power game to new heights. For more information, be sure to explore our channel for more reviews and insights. We'd love for you to join our community and stay updated on the latest in portable power solutions. Thank you for tuning in today, and as always, happy adventuring. Until next time, keep exploring and making great memories. Click on the link below to get price.